Target is the place to be this season for amazing, affordable denim. When I tell you, they had me shooketh. And you know I have tried on over 100 different pairs of jeans from a bunch of different brands, and Target is doing it right now, and you are not gonna wanna miss a second of this video because I would hate for you not to see how these styles are gonna sit on you, learn about the sizing, and of course, you know I have an eye for finding those styles that others seem to gloss over. So grab your little drinky drink. I have a little homemade latte with some rose in it to sip on while I take you with me to Target. And if you happen to be new here, I am Jordan Blackwell, former sustainable materials engineer turned lifestyle content creator behind Little Miss JB Style, sharing with you pieces that aren't just gonna look good, but are going to feel good. And Target's denim, the reason that I'm really shook being a sustainable materials engineer is that all of these jeans are fair trade certified, which is a really huge deal for those of us who are wanting to be more conscious and buy more sustainable pieces, but may not have the budget for like higher end brands, say Reformation, things like that. Yet still want to do our part and buy responsibly. All of these jeans for under $40 as well. Fall into that category. Starting out strong with universal thread, which really had me shook. This pair of mid-rise 90 baggy jeans. Now, how perfect are these sitting? Are you kidding me? I got these in a size 6, and they are actually true to size in my opinion. I didn't feel the need to size up. Even though these are a bit stiffer denim, you can see that I'm moving pretty well in this dark black color. However, I did try on another color as well, because if you've watched any of my other videos, you know that the wash does play a really big role in how well your jeans are going to fit and if they're really going to be comfortable. So I did notice that in the lighter wash with this cute little knee rib, by the way, that I was able to move a little bit better and really feel comfortable. Not that I was entirely uncomfortable in the black. They just were a little bit stiff, so they were gonna take a little bit longer to break in and really get that fit, which is really typical of cotton jeans, especially the non-stretch styles. You have to break them in just a little bit. And as you can see, I was putting both styles to the test in the fitting room as I do, making sure I can get my knees up, I can squat low. My only beef with this style, because from the front, serving. It is so chic. These are gonna be great everyday jeans. Just from the back, for my slim, thick shorties, there was a little bit more gapping than I would like, which is pretty common when it comes to 100% cotton, because there isn't that stretch or that elastic that will bring the waistband in and sit just right, as you'll see with some of these other pairs. However, for these being under $40, these are such an amazing find, and it would truly be nothing to go to my tailor and get that waistband taken in to make sure that these sit just right. And the quality is so good, y'all. Like the fit, I'm really shook because I thought that I would have to size up, but these were just giving exactly what I wanted to give and are just the perfect year-round denim. Another style that I tried from Universal Threads was this high-rise wide leg option. I am shooketh. Again, I really could not get over how great Target's jeans are right now. I mean, you might be able to tell me actually, has Target denim always been on point? Because to me, this feels like the first year that they have just gotten it right. So I was surprised with this pair. I did size up to an 8, even though it was a stretchier material, and I felt that was the perfect size. You can see that I can move comfortably. There's no awkward gapping in the waist. Like, these sit so well. I really wish they had these in a white. Like, imagine these in a really crisp white color. Just giving elegant, giving shmoney, giving elevated. Like, absolutely Target, if you're taking suggestions, please drop this in a white color or in a crew, like a cream color. Just give us like a cool girl shade in these, because while they do have the classic shades, the blue, the light blue, the dark blue, I'm just in a non-boring denim phase, and a few of the Target finds, literally I was stunned because they are the ultimate cool girl denim for a fraction of the price of other brands that I have tried, which I will show you, don't worry. So if you are a wide leg girly, these are so perfect. And the stretch is so important because that really helps your jeans to last a lot longer. Girlies with the thick thighs, you know that struggle. I know you do, because the amount of times I pulled a SpongeBob and ripped my pants down the crotch. So embarrassing, but during my time as a materials engineer, that's when I learned that having that stretch is so key, so important if you want durable denim that's going to last you. When you do have some thick thighs that like to give each other a little bit of a kiss as you walk, definitely pairs with stretch are your best friend. Now let me put you on to some wild fable finds, because I feel as though a lot of millennial women, we feel as though that for the younger girlies. But these jeans, I am gonna start off with the more trendy pair. These cargo jeans are just so fun. These are their mid-rise wide leg pants. I'm wearing a size 8 and these were so perfect. Like, these are a really great denim, especially if you are somebody looking to have some non-boring denim in your wardrobe. I really love the idea of these dressed up, say with like a blazer, looking really chic, really elevated. That's just how I'm seeing denim right now, right? I'm loving to rely on just like a statement jean paired with my everyday basics to elevate a look, and these ones were so amazing. As you can see, I can get low. The gapping in the back, basically non-existent, which was really surprising because these were truly a more mid to low rise jean, and that can really be a peep show on accident if the jeans are not made right. Like that plumber's crack, boom. We're not trying to give that, okay? We are aunties, we have money now. Like, we don't need to be scarring somebody's baby, trying to bend over and pick something up and have our booty butt crack come out, you know what I'm saying? So that is why you are seeing me show you really close up what that bend and snap kind of looks like, so you can see what that gapping in the back may look like for you, because to me, that is a non-negotiable. Like, if my butt crack is coming out, they can go back on the rack. But so far, so good. And again, the pockets on these are just so fun, so easy. You can put a bunch of different stuff in there. The other reason I personally love cargo jeans, concert season, festival season, these are such an easy piece to throw on and look, again, very cool, very modern. But the way that they're being done now doesn't feel like they're going to be dated. And that's what's so great about this pair. If you're wanting to dabble in a more trend forward piece, this is an affordable way to do so, because again, these not even $35. That's the other reason I'm just so surprised by Target right now, because the way that a lot of these jeans are sitting just right already off the rack, I do not feel like I need to take a lot of these to the tailor. Usually that's something that I would see from like a Levi's, a Madewell, you know, some of those mid-tier brands that have been making denim for years and years, but Target is coming through with these pieces. And now you may be thinking to yourself, Jordan, I'm in Target like all the time and I never ever see these pieces. If you feel like that's you and you see me shopping at places that you shop at but you're not seeing these pieces, go ahead and follow me over on Like to Know It. That is where I do a bunch of roundups, all of my favorite new ins, the pieces that are catching my eye that you might have just glossed over. I totally get it. Like, some things may seem daunting, or just the way that the model was wearing wasn't giving. But I know part of the reason you come to me is I've got that little unique eye. I can kind of look past the model and really envision how that piece would work for myself and give it that elevated everyday chic vibe that my style just thrives in. So make sure that you're following me over there. Especially with Wild Fable's high-rise wide leg jeans. Again, look how well these fit. They look so good, and I know so often you might look over and glance at Wild Fable like, it's giving, like I'm trying too hard to look young. But they really do have some good pieces if you've watched my other Target try-ons. Wild Fable really is kind of a sneaky hack for like fun on-trend pieces that do not break the bank, that again, that can be elevated and work with your style, especially if you like something a little more edgy. But these are a classic style jean, and that's really why I wanted to make sure I grabbed them and showed them to you, because they are literally so good. That little rip detail is so fun. Again, I see these as being something easy to throw on every day, like a white tee, some sneakers, or if you want an elevated basic top like I'm wearing right now, that would look so good with these jeans. And these, again, less than $35. Like, I'm Target. Now, I told you were gonna be shooketh by these finds. If you're liking this video so far, do me the quickest favor. Go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe, because that lets me know to keep making videos like that for you here on my channel. But these high-rise curved leg jeans, look, I left the store with it, okay? Usually I'm pretty good about, like, unless I really need it, I'm not spending extra money. Target does not usually get me like that. I will not lie. My resilience, my resolve. But these high-rise curved leg jeans, are they not giving cooler than the Free People ones? And the Free People ones are what, like $100+? These I got on sale because they are currently having a huge sale. So I got these for $25. Like, are these not the ultimate cool girly jeans right now that I feel like I'm seeing everybody in? And I was really wanting a pair just like this to add to my wardrobe, to really, again, elevate my denim game, because that is my secret sauce right now. Anytime I have zero brain cells and I know I want to look good it's non-boring denim, an elevated basic top, and some fun shoes. Like, that is my go-to uniform right now. So these jeans from Target, okay, okay. I'm wearing a size 8 in these, which is a size up from my usual size, but they fit so perfect. Like, they're that perfect, relaxed fit that I have been dying to get my hands on. And the puddling effect, because I am 5'6", I know you're gonna ask, the puddling on these, ultimate perfection. Like, these are the jeans the fashion girlies dream of. And again, for literally less than even a lot of the jeans that I share from H&M. And you know I love H&M. They do such a great job for affordable denim and cool girly denim, but Target right now is giving them a run for their money. Like, I cannot get over these jeans, and I'm so tempted to even get another pair and maybe cut them up into like some jorts, because I have truly been wanting to give the jorts a try, but have not found the right pair that I feel like is worth the money. But these curve leg jeans, like, when I say I ran to the register so fast to check out with these, I'm so contented. Now, I know you're really happy that you didn't skip a second of this video, seeing the different styles that you might have missed out on, plus an idea of the sizing so that you don't waste your money and get the wrong size. But before you go ahead and invest in Target denim, let me go ahead and put you onto my other playlist where I try on all different kinds of jeans from a bunch of other brands, so that you can compare and really make sure that you're buying the right denim for you that's gonna make you not just look amazing, because as you can see, we were looking amazing, but feeling good too, because that really is the key to building a wardrobe that you want to wear now, and that's going to evolve with your style. So go ahead and click on this playlist so that you can get the tips and tricks you need to build a wardrobe you love and buy the right denim for you. But before you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a video from me, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over there.